Imagine zipping through traffic, conquering steep hills, or cruising down scenic trails, all without breaking a sweat. That's the magic of electric bikes. And in 2025, e-bikes have reached a whole new level of innovation, combining powerful motors, extended battery life, and sleek designs to make riding more fun and efficient than ever. In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 best electric bikes of the year, featuring top-notch performance, comfort, and features that cater to every kind of rider. All the products mentioned in this video are listed in the description below. For the best deals and exclusive coupon codes, visit our website at couponoffer.net. At number 5, we have the Heybike Race Max. Powered by a 600-watt rechargeable and detachable battery, it delivers an impressive range of 31 to 40 miles per charge. Coupled with a 750-watt peak brushless geared motor, it offers a top speed of 28 miles per hour. The Race Max features puncture-resistant 27.5-inch tires and motor inhibitors that immediately cut power when braking. The front fork suspension smooths out bumpy terrain, while the 7-speed gearing ensures adaptability for various road conditions. Its large LCD display keeps you informed of speed, battery life, and more, enhancing your riding experience. The bike's lightweight high-carbon steel frame combines strength with style, weighing just 52.9 pounds, making it easy to handle and perfect for urban commutes. Its geometry and design are minimalist yet functional, catering to riders who value practicality and aesthetic appeal. With 3 flexible working modes, the Race Max adapts to your preferences. You can use the upgraded twist throttle for effortless cruising, pedal assist for a customizable boost, or ride it as a traditional bike without assistance. You can buy the Race Max at $379 on Amazon. At number 4, the ACTBEST electric bike. Equipped with a 500-watt brushless motor, it reaches speeds of up to 22 miles per hour and features a 7-speed transmission. Its 26 into 2.1-inch tires and 3 riding modes provide adaptability for commuting, traveling, or sightseeing. The bike is powered by a 36-volt, 13-ampere removable built-in battery. Its waterproof, shockproof, and anti-theft design ensures reliability and peace of mind. You can fully charge the battery in 4 to 6 hours and enjoy a range of up to 35 miles on throttle mode or 50 miles with pedal assist. For enhanced usability, it features an LCD display showing speed, battery level, and assist mode. Its dual front suspension, a front light, and a rear reflective sheet, ensuring a smooth and secure ride in all conditions. The adjustable Cell Royal seat accommodates riders between 5 feet 4 inches and 6 feet 5 inches. The lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy frame supports up to 350 pounds. You can buy this bike at just $279 on Amazon. Now, number 3 position on our list, the Isinwheel U1. It offers an impressive combination of compact design and powerful performance, perfect for city riders. Despite its 14-inch frame, this e-bike is built for agility with a 500-watt motor and advanced algorithms that make it easy to tackle inclines, including a 15-degree uphill climb. It reaches a top speed of 20 miles per hour, making it perfect for quick urban commutes. The 36-volt 7.8-ampere replaceable battery is securely hidden inside the frame, protecting it from the elements. It charges 2 times faster in 3 to 4 hours, providing up to 25 miles of range in pedal assist mode. The U1 features foldable handlebars, pedals, and a height-adjustable seat, making it easy to store in small spaces. It fits in car trunks, elevators, or apartments, offering ultimate flexibility for users on the go. The bike ensures safety with dual disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power in all weather conditions. Front and rear lights enhance visibility, ensuring safer rides both day and night. The bike offers 3 assist levels, letting you choose between pure electric mode, pedal assist, or normal bike mode, making it adaptable to different riding styles and traffic conditions. At a competitive price of $299 on Amazon, this e-bike is a great choice for those looking for a practical, efficient, and space-saving ride. At number 2, the Jasion EB5 electric bike. Powered by a 500-watt peak motor, it achieves a top speed of 20 miles per hour, making it an ideal choice for both daily commutes and leisurely rides. The upgraded LCD display provides useful riding data, including ODO, max, AVG speed, and customizable PS modes, allowing you to tailor your ride to your needs. The 360-watt removable battery offers a range of 25 to 40 miles per charge, making it perfect for daily use. It charges in 5 to 6 hours, and the removable design adds convenience, allowing you to charge it anywhere. With 4 working modes, you can choose between pass mode, pure electric mode, pedal mode, and booster mode. You have full control over your ride. The 26-inch puncture-resistant tires, high-strength front fork suspension, 7-speed gears, and dual lights ensure that you can tackle both urban and off-road terrain with ease. The front and rear mechanical disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, keeping you safe on all kinds of surfaces. Weighing just 49.6 pounds, the Jasion EB5 features a sleek and minimalist design, with a high-carbon steel frame that provides durability and stability, making it both lightweight and reliable for everyday use. You can buy Jasion EB5 at $399 on Amazon. In the top spot on our list, the Likebike CityFun S folding electric bike. This bike stands out for its versatility, power, and convenience. With a 500-watt, powerful brushless motor, this e-bike reaches a top speed of 20 miles per hour. The 48-volt, 10.4 ampere high-performance battery delivers long-lasting power, and the removable design allows you to conveniently charge it separately from the bike. You can fully recharge it in just 4 to 5 hours. It offers a 33.6-mile range on electricity-only mode, giving you the freedom to travel without frequent recharging. The CityFun S features a foldable design, making it easy to store in car trunks or transport via public transit. Equipped with 20 by 4.0-inch fat tires, the e-bike offers a smooth ride on a variety of terrains, including mountain roads, sand, snow, and city streets. The bright LED headlight and tail light provide increased visibility, ensuring safe rides during nighttime. The 7-speed gears, front fork suspension, and front and rear disc brakes ensure a comfortable and controlled experience. The color LCD display allows you to easily monitor. At a price of $599 on Amazon, the Likebike CityFun S is a higher-priced option, but its robust features, powerful performance, and ease of use make it an excellent investment for those seeking an all-around electric bike for various environments. Let me know in the comments which electric bike you'd ride into 2025 and why. If you're interested in any of these models, check out the links in the description for more details. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more top product reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.